Good day, ma'am. This is my video presentation, which is my faith in God. I hope you're enjoying while watching.
Good day, everyone. The story that I want to share with all of you is all about myself and how it has helped me become who I am today. My faith in God played an important role in my life. Through this faith, I have learned so many lessons that guide me every day. Every time that I read the Word of God, those verses in the Bible speak to me. These verses remind me to avoid doing things that are not meant to be done, even if sometimes I don't have any idea what's gonna happen. I trust God that He is aware and capable of handling everything. One of the most beautiful experiences that I have had is knowing that I am never alone, even in the difficult times. Whenever I face challenges in life, I always run to God and ask for strength and guidance. This faith not just helped me to get through a tough situation, but also to build a stronger faith and healthier relationship with God. I always be thankful that I have God to lean on me. My life become better through Him. Before, I just always blame myself and crying whenever I'm facing a problem. But now, I just calm myself and talk to God because I know that knows everything. Every problems become easier when I trust Him. It gives me hope and courage to keep going. So, always remember that you're not alone with your journey. God is with you and He will not fail you. Thank you.